Understanding the meaning behind different types of hugs can help clarify feelings in relationships. For instance, a long, tight hug may signal romantic interest, especially if accompanied by a little extra pressure or duration. A classic hug, with chest touching, typically indicates friendship, but can feel more intimate with someone who has feelings for you. Conversely, a sideways hug suggests casual friendliness, while a bear hug expresses closeness and shared joy. Romantic hugs, such as wrapping arms around the waist or a surprise hug from behind, indicate trust and affection. Short or one-arm hugs are more platonic, often suggesting comfort without deep connection. Any hug lacking warmth or reciprocation may indicate discomfort. Ultimately, the context, duration, and body position during a hug are key indicators of the relationship's nature, whether it's friendly, romantic, or somewhere in between.